Hello everybody. For this video, what you are going to do is you are going to pick a shape and you are going to draw that shape all over your paper, and you're going to make sure that your shape overlaps other shapes. And what I mean by that is like this cat head right here went into this one and into this one and into this one. And in those places where those shapes cross, you're going to just color it a different color. So to get started, you are all going to have your thick paper, your little square. This is going to be your tracer, so that all of your shapes are the same. So I'm giving nice thick cardstock for this. So you're going to draw a simple shape. And it's just an outline. You don't need to worry about details. This is just the outline of a shape. You could do something like a circle, a triangle, any shape works, but just remember you're going to be cutting it out. So think of a shape that's easier to cut out, and then cut it out. After you have cut it out, you are just going to place it on your paper and use your helper hand. If you are a right-handed student, your helper hand is your left hand. If you are a left-handed student, your helper hand is your right hand. So whatever hand you do not use to write with is your helper. Your helper is going to hold down your tracer while you trace it. Feel free to spin your paper if you need to. You can also put a tape roll on the back of your tracer so it doesn't move on you. And you're going to trace it in one spot, and then in another, and then all over your paper. Remember, you want to get a lot of these overlapped sections. Then you're going to pick one color to not use because you want your background, see all these white spaces, you want them to be the same. You can leave it white if you want, or I saved black and I put black aside, so I did not use any black in all of these spaces. So again, pick one color. It can be a color, it can just stay white, and then in every other space you are just going to color each space different. Try not to have the same color touching each other. So if this was green, then no green here, no green here, no green here. Any other color is good. So again, just try not to have the same colors touch so you can really see those overlapping shape spots. And your background color should be something different. If you forget, you could always, again, leave it white or color it with maybe like some different coloring material. I chose markers to color my shapes, and you don't have to. You can color with whatever you would like to. However, a good trick is the textures would be different. If you forgot and you did all your marker colors and you did not have a color for the background and you did not want to leave it white, you could use like a crayon or a colored pencil or something different in the background. It'll give a different texture. When you're done with that, again, if you wanted the background, you could leave it like this color, or you could do that color that you saved. But after that, you are done. I'm really excited to see how these guys come out.